So I've been stuck here. The replacement high stall torque converter uses M8 bolts rather than the stock M9 bolts, which I haven't come across a lot lately. It took me a while to line it up and realize it's the new converter has a different bolt size. So I looked up on Toyo DIY and found out that the 1ZZ motor uses M8 bolts to line up the torque converter, or to bolt the torque converter to the flex plate. So I'm gonna try that right now. Alright, so you can see here's the M9 ones. That's the ones that, almost fit, but they don't fit. And here are the new 6 1ZZ bolts. Here's the pilot bolt with the tapered edge. Let's see if it fits. And it does. Sweet. Alright. Time to install the rest.